Hey, welcome to this video. This is video or vlog number 86. And in this one, I want to show you how I reupholstered these three bar stools that I got at a garage sale. And it's just going to be like an overview. I did some clips while I was working on it with various different parts that I did, and kind of overall process of me restoring them, doing the reupholstery of the cushions, and then I also cleaned up the chrome on it and put some new rubber feet on the things, and they're very stable, very nice bar stools. Go perfect in some garage or man cave or something. Anyway, I got it done and I posted them on Facebook Marketplace, and we'll see if I can sell them for a nice amount of money. I got them for free at a garage sale. So the only thing I got in here is the labor and some foam, some vinyl. Those feet were not cheap too. They're $4 for each chair. About $4 of rubber feet times 3, that's $12. I mean, yeah, $12 in feet, and then I have probably about $25-30 worth of vinyl, and so that's 30. Let's say if this is 30 plus 12, so that's $40. And some foam, I don't know, $10 of foam. So I got $50 in these chairs so far. So I'm trying to sell them for about $150 for 3 of them. We'll see if it goes or not. Maybe I'll lower the price, but hopefully I'll get my money out of it. All right, here is all the clips for you. I bought these 3 bar chairs at a garage sale. Well, actually, I didn't buy them. They were free. They were just trying to get rid of them. And how perfect for me. I already took this one off. How perfect for me, so I can practice some upholstery. And these bases are in pretty good shape. I just need to clean them up with some steel wool, and it works really good. These things spin. They need to be oiled a little. But yeah, I'm gonna reupholster these and then see if I can sell them on Marketplace. That's a lot of staples here. That's a lot of staples. I don't know if I want to remove all of those. I'm going to cut around them, and then I'll probably use a grinder to grind them all away. I'm going to take this one apart into pieces, so I have the pattern I need. Patterns. I should have done it while it was still on. Oh well. I'm using my serrated knife that I ground with my grinder, so it cuts the thread better and doesn't cut into the material. Man, this stuff smells bad. So we got this pattern and we got this pattern. I'm gonna have to see if it's too big for the replacement foam I'm gonna use. Wow. Look at that. They fit all that into that full football sized package. So they say I can either cut it with a regular hacksaw blade or one of these bread cutters. I'm going to first give it a try with this and see how it feels. Alright, I already don't like it. Let's see about this. That was easy. Alright, so I was gonna make these in black, but I ordered some vinyl for my practice and for my truck, and they accidentally sent me an extra yard of this red for free. So I'm going to use the red and make those chairs red. I think that'll be pretty cool. I think they're gonna look pretty nice. So the first thing I did here is I measured out how much I need in this area, and then I added about 1/2 inch on the top for the stitches, and then the bottom flap for wrapping underneath and stapling. So I cut these 3 pieces for the 3 chairs, and now I'm gonna cut out the circles for the top. And remember, I'm not doing the piping. I'm just gonna do a top stitch on the side, which is gonna look really nice. And that should do it. As you can see, I don't know if I showed it in the other video, in another clip. I got this out and it's pretty stinky, and it was wet. And so I'm not gonna be reusing it. So I cut out this nice piece of 2-inch medium density foam, which should do really good to replace it, and it'll be a nice chair when I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna get to making those circles now. All right, first attempt looks pretty good, but I don't like how it's rounded on the edges. it looks kind of not cute. I'm going to make another one and make it wider so there's more room, so it's not so rounded. Okay, so we have this, and it turned out to be too small because I measured out the circle to fit, but then I had the bright idea to do the stitches, which shrunk the whole circle about 1/2 inch on each side, and so it became too small, and once I put it on, it looked kind of like that, which is not a good look. I didn't like it very much. So I made some racing stripes. I really like how it turned out. Has a nice top stitch over here. So it's not sticking out like a pipe like this. So that's what we got for this one. All right, these things are done. Nice and soft. We got the rubber foot caps replaced with nice ones. Cleaned all the chrome. It's obviously not new. It's vintage, but they are very nice to sit on. This, not leather, but the vinyl is very good quality. Automotive vinyl. Very nice. Finally, this project is done. So now I can start working on my car seats. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one.